2, 5. I heard a 2 in there somewhere.
And 5 lines up with 2.
How many hours have you been measuring this?
This is would be an hour and a half. So.
Hour and a half.
All right.
Check out the numbers here. They all make perfect sense to somebody.
Yep, these are all failures. All these are failures because they're all wrong. And now Keenan is going to measure this bearing and tell us what the measurement
The problem is the mic is like 120 degrees now. So it's maybe...
It was sitting, I just picked it up a second ago.
Might be
unless you're breathing heavy on it.
So which ones do these come from?
They came from right here.
So the same bag that we got done cleaning completely back up and putting away, we just went back and measured them again. Because for some reason it seems like they're the same size that I just measured.
Oh, well, you said measure 4.
Which are way too small because the case they're both already fitted.
Right.
And they're looser than what these bearings would be.
That's fine. You're right. I'm wrong.
That's why I said are the 6s 6s and the 8s 8s.
Oh, that's what you meant.
If 6 was 9.
Well, so you have 6s that are used to be 8s.
See how this says 6 and 8? You know why I have 8 crossed out? Because it's actually a 6. You know what size a 6 is? It's probably a 4 because they don't know how to measure the bearings correctly anymore.
Well,
420.
That would be me too, right?
Now, it appears now that we are past the 0 point now, finally.
All right.
So maybe we got some oversizes happening here. Now, see right now our 8 over bearing is actually only 6, and it's more like 5.5. Probably because the mic is hot. I'm going to give it a 1/10 of expansion.
He's fire on the mic.
That's what we get for breathing too heavy.
So it's coming up 5 again.
Getting excited about getting our
The
back
mic
together.
the mic is really hot. Okay, so these are actually 8s or 6s.
They're 6s?
So
Not
the
8s.
6s are probably 4s, and the 4s are 2s. Standards are actually -2. So I remember some of these bags that actually are on size. That's why you have to measure them to make sure. Don't mix those up either.
So let me just recap. 4s are 2s, 8s are 6s, 5s are 0s.
And 2s are standard,
Yeah.
those are negative.
Yeah,
Unless they're
But
old
nobody knows
bearings.
how to measure anything except Tatro.
yeah.
And me.
And if you have old bearing stock that I do have, some of those are actually really on size.
Okay.
Okay. So technically, we haven't screwed up.
Yeah.
We just don't know how to measure.
Exactly.
Okay, now this bag of 6s here
Is a bag of 6.
is actually measuring 6.
Bag of dixes.
See?
Oh, got it.
It was actually, and this one was a 5, which is the same size as the 8 over there. So,
Wait, a 5 is the same size as an 8?
so we do not have any 4s. We have 2s and 6s. And we either have 6s that are marked 6, or we have 8s that are marked 6. Either way, they're the same size. So that's why you have to measure this stuff. So these are old,
Right.
so they're actually correct. These are new, so they're wrong. I mean, I haven't measured this bag. So if I actually need some 8s, I'll have to measure this bag and see if these are 8s or something else. Now these are V-twins, but they're still Sonics, so they're still good. The new V-twin is China, so we don't like those. All right, so what size do we have available?
8s and 2s.
2s,
Or 2s and 6s.
4s,
And
I
6s.
thought you said you didn't have any 4s.
6s.
2s and 6s.
That's right.
2s and 6s.
6.
Yeah.
So that means we better not come up with a 4 then, right?
We got to come up with a 4.
Okay, so what number do you have over here?
Me?
So we're at 7 is standard. So if we have a 6, 6 and 6 is how much?
12.
So you add 12 to 7, you get what?
19.
19.
Okay, that's how far you can go.
19.
Okay, what's the other number we got?
Right up here.
2s.
2s, yeah. Oh,
So 2s and 2 is what?
4.
And 4 and 7 is what?
11.
Okay, so what number we got to choose from?
11 or
19.
19.
Okay, what size of do we have here?
What is that?
Like 11 and a half, 12.
11 and 12.
11. The 12. What's that one?
12.
12. So I don't think 11 is going to work.
Okay.
So what's that mean, Fred?
Got to go to 19.
That means we're not using that first box.
All right.
In the first box.
Okay, now this is Mario's motor. Now he has a half a chance of running that number. Right there it's on size. Now assuming I don't hone anything, which I know, you hear how rough that is? Because somebody blasted his case up, you blew the tolerance, there's 12 right there.
Yeah.
So he's got to go to 19.
So And then we have 11. Okay, so it appears that both of these are going to have to be opened up to a bigger number.
All right. So we're gonna have to hone them, correct?
We're going to have to hone both of them out to the same because you want yours looser than Fred's. And
Okay.
his shaft's bigger.
Okay.
Why don't you
Of
guys?
course.
So
Why
that
don't you
extra,
guys just swap?
so that extra tenth is going to means we're working out the same size final, 19 or 17.
Because then
What
everybody
number
would
was it,
be
17?
happy.
No.
19, I forget. So,
No.
yeah.
No.
We'll
Alright.
hone this out and figure out what we got.
All right.
Yeah.
Figure out how close your parts are here.
So the fire is out.
Maybe.
All right.
It's all over holding you. And it's just be like, oh shit, it's on fire.
Nothing like a little excitement in the
Back to work.
Back to work. Yeah. No, yeah, a little excitement
All in a
here.
day's work.
Okay, that one's good. Okay, where's the other junk case?
I'll go clean that one. And make sure there's no reflashes going on in the back.
Oh,
Man,
Hey,
you're crank is bad on the ankle.
you got a little something in your hair.
I'm not looking at it. I don't give a shit. Oh, that thing got around. You know how rough that was?
Oh, I can hear it.
It wasn't silky smooth like this was, was it?
Well, we'll be in a little bit.
The good thing yours is lighter. You have more to work with now. Alright. How bad is yours? Ooh.
Oh, right there. Oh, right.
Yeah, we're a little bit higher than yours. What was that higher number we had? 17?
Yeah.
50. No, it's 19. 2/10 up to 19. That's 17. Yeah, we're going to have to go up to 19 on yours. It's getting smoother though.
I can hear it.
16, 17, 16.
Those are ashes on your head, by the way.
Oh, I thought it was damn good. Okay, we don't care about that. Now, is that ashes from the box or ashes from my hair being burned?
Ashes from your box.
Oh, damn. Nope, one of those. Now it's sneaking around. That's just water making noise.
There it is. Now I hear that being smoother.
Almost 18. Just stole my ring. Probably got burnt. Yeah, that's alright.
No, you threw it on the fire, actually.
There you go. I put it to good use. Evidently oil-soaked rags aren't good to put out there.
I guess not, yeah. Sounds a lot smoother.
Yeah, it's pretty smooth. 19. It appears to be 19. Put a little extra because it's going to shrink a little bit. Number you like right there?
Oh yeah, that's it right there.
It appears to be 19 all around.
That's good.
Got about a quarter thou difference.
A quarter of a thou, you know, that's make or break right there.
Yeah, it's significant for sure.
Well, for that it was like a 1/10 and a half out, so it's not going to be half yet. It's usually better than it was. Alright, that ought to be enough extra for contraction when you cool the case off. So that's a little bit smoother now than what it was.
Oh yeah, that looks nice.
Yeah.
It's definitely rounder.
Yep.
Okay, I guess I got to go clean my hair now and clean the case. Which one's going to be first?
Probably the case.
Yeah. Junk pile over there in the corner.
Running the fireball cam for our Evo motor because we're fucking upgrading this thing.
Is it an Evo?
Nope, it's actually a shovelhead, but running an Evo style cam.
Look at that chrome turd sticking out. I can peel it off for you if you want.
That's all right. We'll just let it there.
Okay, we're checking our cam, or not our pinion bushing. It appears to have some clearance in there. I'm going to check to see if this fits in there too. Appears to have some clearance.
Clearance.
Where's your ugly ass cam gasket?
A good one right here.
Oh yeah, we know that's quality piece.
Yeah, absolutely. It's made in Taiwan, man. Like that's some good stuff.
It's good enough for mock-up anyway.
Yeah.
It says enter on it, or MR. Yeah, it's enter. They can't even spell it right. Where's your cam thrust washers at?
Thrust washers.
Do you have any at all? Ooh, you got a free cam bearing in the cam.
I did. They're kind of camera. Just gonna use it.
Damn, they're just $14.
Yeah.
Lost profit. I should have spilled it earlier. Look at those custom screws.
Sick.
Junk. Where's your cam plate? You got one? Thrust washer?
Nope.
No? Nothing?
Got nothing, man.
You got nothing? Where'd you get this pipe from?
Just pretty much nothing.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get my chrome hardware because
There's a lane over here already. Is that Fred's hardware?
it's use it.
That's junk. We're not using that hardware.
Well, what's wrong with it? Snap?
Junk. Where's your hammer at? Doesn't fit very good. It's not a good sound when it doesn't fit together. Yeah, maybe it's a good hardware. Who knows? Who made these?
Taiwan.
Yeah, maybe not. They might be Garner. These actually might be good bolts. Shouldn't be going on that hard. That's better. Okay, where's your bolts? You gonna use those crappy bolts? Try them in there. See if they're good. Bag's no good now. Ooh, I
Yeah, you
got
can't
washers.
reuse that bag.
I got a shelf over here. Just a trash tray over here.
Thanks.
We won't tell Fred what that tray is used for. But... Oh yeah, those are really good.
Good Harley bolts right there.
Well, even though there's a bunch of dirt in those threads you didn't clean out with them. Now, is that too much play for your Allen?
Yeah. I think it's the wrong size. Well, no, no.
Yeah, I think it's metric,
Bastards.
so we don't use the stuff that comes in these kits.
Well, I mean, it's good for mock-up, right?
Not if it screws up my damn Allen, it isn't.
Well, I'm more concerned about my case and your Allen wrench.
I don't care about your stupid case.
I'm concerned about it.
Well, that's your problem, not mine.
I'm very, very attached to it.
Phew. That's gonna round off my damn Allen. I need to get a real wrench. Or something that doesn't matter.
Sweet.
We also need a gasket for mine. No? JB Weld?
Yeah, that's it. Anti-leak. Red tip. Not even metric either.
Independent.
Those are unknown size.
Sweet.
Not metric, not American. Maybe they're Italian. Or India.
Could be.
That might be with the Indian parts.
You got an Indian Harley. I thought Harley made Indians.
Was that a phone call?
Yep.
Sick.
Yeah, I was thinking about getting an Indian Harley. Do you know how to work on those engines, those Indian Harleys?
I think we're in trouble listening to you. I can hear all the comments already.
I had a 98 Indian Harley.
Whoever watches the video this deep into comment on that, I'm gonna give them a trophy themselves and be like, hell yeah.
For being a douchebag. Good job, man. You're a dick.
Those metric Allens suck. Okay, it appears that the cam cover is, or the cam is moving. So that means it actually does line up halfway close. Okay, so what do we know? We know that the Allens that come with the kit suck.
Alright, so now I have to buy new Allens for the kit for my
But
cam
these
cover.
could be available at a reduced price online on
eBay.
apparel.com or whatever the hell your name is.
Oh, no, I'm not gonna put my name out there. No.
No, they're not for sale on your website?
No. Yeah, probably not.
Oh, okay.
Check out his Chop Cult account.
Yeah, that's the one.
I don't have a chocolate account.
I do. It's terrible. I haven't been on there in so long.
Okay, hold the cam cover. It might come out the bottom. Might be, and it will come out the bottom.
Yeah.
To the horsepower gods. Woo!
Take our sacrifice.
Take our sacrifice.
That's a fucking moron.
Yeah, absolutely.
I didn't say that loud, did I?
Thank you. Thank you.
Too bad.